All right, everybody, Bryce here coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Hopefully everybody had a great week. Guys, it was a big one, as they all are in crypto. It seems like time just goes by so much faster in crypto, probably because Bitcoin and crypto trades 24/7, 365, while the stock market and bonds, they trade 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So if you really think about it from that perspective, what you're witnessing in crypto with that volatility is just you have that much more price discovery in any given day. So you get more people going down, more people going up, more volatility, right? And so what we saw was when the Bitcoin ETF launched on January 11th, the price was like $49,000. And right when that kind of launched, it was a big sell the news event. You saw a big unwind, right? All the people had been locked up in the grayscale trade. Everybody who had kind of front run the ETF announcement, they were all selling. The selling had kind of overpowered broadly the buying. So prices fell. And we cracked right down below $40,000. I think it went as low as almost $38,000 before it very quickly hit the 100-day moving average and popped right back up. That was Bitcoin. Now, many of the altcoins have consolidated on or above their 50-day moving average, and we're seeing a big bounce across the market today. So this is really good, okay? This is really good. This is what you want to see, that during an overall market correction, we come back down, we find some support, okay? So it's a really big sort of undertaking here for altcoins to really not crash during the Bitcoin market crash. It's a big undertaking, right? It shows that the fact that as Bitcoin has crashed from $49,000 to $40,000, as that has happened, altcoins have remained pretty strong. Altcoin dominance has risen. Many altcoins are above their 50-day moving average when Bitcoin fell all the way down to its 100-day moving average. So you actually see a rise in altcoin strength during this period. This is something that we've projected for a long time, something that we've been saying that should happen. And guess what? It's happening. And exactly what were we saying? We were saying that once the market finds confidence and support in Bitcoin, there's going to be a consolidation. And during that consolidation, as long as that's bullish consolidation, altcoins will have a free hall pass to kind of go crazy. And that's what we're seeing. During the month of December, Bitcoin consolidated sideways. During the month of January, we're consolidating a little bit downwards. But this is still bullish consolidation. There's selling from the liquidation trusts that are going on with Genesis and Three Arrows Capital and FTX and Voyager and Celsius and BlockFi. They've got a lot of money locked up in Grayscale that they're going to have to sell in order to pay off the people that were their creditors, right? And so you have some forced liquidation. And one of the things that I always say is, when is it ever a bad time to buy crypto or to buy any asset during a liquidation sale? Okay, because right now what we're seeing is truly a liquidation sale. It's never a bad time to buy during a liquidation sale, especially if you have long-term confidence that this is, it's being liquidated for a reason that, isn't necessarily fundamentally, there's nothing wrong with this asset. It's not like Bitcoin got broke or hacked or the ETF ruined it or anything like that. It's just, there's market volatility, there's selling, right? There's buyers and sellers, and that's what makes a market. People disagreeing, people having different time preferences, people having different priorities on a day-to-day basis, people need liquidity in different sort of time frames. And so, long story short, this is a buy the dip moment. I think this dip won't last very long. Now, part of me says, okay, I look at Coinbase, I see a lot of liquidity going down, $37,000, a big buy order, like $10 million. $35,000. Again, $10 million of buy orders sitting there. Again, at $32,000. There's a lot of people eager to buy Bitcoin. So this is what you see as bid support, buy orders, market depth. This is good if you're a buyer. So I see a lot of support below where we're at right now. I see altcoin strength. I see the grayscale trade starting to slow down and wind down. So all that to be saying, I'm a Bitcoin bull. I'm a crypto altcoin bull. This is a really, really, really good time to be in the market, to be finding the best coins, to be trading the coins that have the most upside potential, that have the most fundamental strength, that have near-term catalysts to boost price and all that kind of stuff. So anyhow, there's a lot to be looking out for, and we're going to be watching, and we hope you do too. So that's your market update. Now, also real quick, if you aren't subscribed already to a service that could provide you with incredible market analysis, research, buy zones and sell zones for the best fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies, all that kind of stuff, plus a community of over 10,000 crypto traders that are all trying to navigate the markets together. If you don't have something like that, but you'd like that, well, then we invite you to a 2-week trial, okay? 2-week trial for $1. You can come and see everything that we have to offer, our products, our services, our community. And if after 2 weeks you're not completely overjoyed, then no worries. I'm sure you're going to be. So again, just $1, 2 weeks. Come and check it out.